Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I would like to show you how to use MiniTool MovieMaker. It's a nice little video editing tool and you can do many different things with it. The environment looks similar like a CapCut. It is very simple, it is actually fast and has many pretty good functionalities. So let's start. What you need to do if you like to use the tool is download it for free. And then you can use in a free edition 3 videos without length limit, complete 4K. And what is interesting is that you can then forever export videos within 2 minutes afterwards. So this is pretty good for free version for creation of, I don't know, shorts or, shorter videos than 2 minutes. And after that, one of the good things is also that it has a perpetual license, which many different tools do not have. So you can kind of pay once and use it forever. Okay, enough of that. Let's go straight to the tool and I will give you a quick tutorial on how to use it. So let's try to create short movie, and by doing that I will explain all of the functionalities. Of course, what you need to have is here in this part is to import different media files. So we need videos, we need audio, we need narration or anything similar. I already prepared a couple of videos here and I also prepared audio narration. I used 11 labs to create me a different audio, so let's put that on the timeline below. Okay. Length is 1 minute and 15 seconds. Let's play it.
Top 5 artificial intelligence predictions by 2030.
Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to create me a kind of a narration for the top 5 artificial intelligence prediction by 2030. And then I copied text into the 11 labs, as you can see here, and I generated the audio. Pretty simple and easy. After that, I downloaded the audio and imported into the MiniTool MovieMaker. Okay, so now we have our audio. We would like to have a kind of a introduction. Okay, what we have here, many different videos. Let's use this as an introduction. Put it here on the timeline. Let's see how does that look like now.
Top 5 artificial and
fine. We need kind of a title. MovieMaker has pretty good amount of different titles, captions, credits, etc. Let's try to find a good one for intro. Let's see, for example, here. Okay, let's say that this title looks good. Let's put it on the timeline and let's now move it before the video. Fine. And then let's add text. Okay, so now we have introduction. Let's see how does that look like.
Top 5 artificial intelligence predictions by 2030.
Nice. Okay. What we need to do here is move exactly to the beginning of the sound. Let's then
Top 5 artificial intelligence predictions by 2030. 1. AI will automate over 4.
Fine. You see that video is not aligned here for the full screen. You can just resize that very easily. Great. And then we would like to have kind of a transition between introduction and the video. MovieMaker has a lot of different transitions, pretty good ones actually. Let's see the trending ones. Okay, as you can see, probably hundreds of transitions. I don't know, I'll use this one. Just drag and drop here. Let's see.
31. AI will automate over 40% of current jobs.
Looks nice. Okay, let's add additional media. For example, we are now talking about AI automation. Let's just drag and drop this video here. Let's add additional transition. Dissolve should be pretty good. Just drag and drop here.
Service, logistics, and manufacturing will be largely automated.
Pretty good. We would also like to have an effect added to this video. So click on the effects on the upper corner. Let's first look at all of the effects. As you see, many pretty cool ones. Yeah. For example, let's try to see what will happen here.
And manufacturing will be largely automated.
So see, this is a photo book overlay, pretty cool effect. Perhaps not best suitable for what I'm trying to do here, but just for you to see what is available.
Manufacturing will be largely automated, transforming the...
Yeah, this overlay actually looks pretty good. I will just put it here, and from here we will have the whole video.
Market.
Nice.
2. Person.
Okay, let's just, for example, drag this here and let's add additional video. We will add this one. just click on the plus sign and it will be added here at the end of the previous clip. Let's see.
Personalized AI assistants will be mainstream.
And here we have the AI assistant, as you can see. For that, we would like to add filters. Let's use maybe this one. Let's see how does that look like. Yeah, I think it looks better when it's black and white.
Personalized AI assistants will be mainstream.
Okay, since this is kind of a, let's say, interesting part of the video, we would like to add, you know, that famous subscribe element on the YouTube. Just click on the element and drag and drop it here. As you can see, the element is here. Let's just make it kind of bigger. Fine, and put it right there. Let's see now.
Personalized AI assistants will be mainstream.
Pretty good. Let's just see many other elements. There are literally hundreds of elements. All of them are free here. And yeah, they look pretty good, pretty good. And also we have a motion part here, which is, you know, how to pan down, zoom in, center. Let's use zoom in center, for example. Okay.
Personalized AI
See the
assistants
movement here.
will be mainstream.
Yeah, looks pretty good. And for example, let's say that we are done with creation of our video. What we also need at the end, we need credits. Let's put that at the end, directed by Tech Tutor Zone. Let's just align this smaller part here at the middle, and we have the whole video created in a matter of minutes. And the tool looks pretty fast. As you see, there is no lagging, there is no rendering that takes forever. It looks pretty good. I will actually play it now and put it in the full screen.
Top 5 artificial intelligence predictions by 2030. 1. AI will automate over 40% of current jobs.
Nice.
Routine and repetitive tasks in industries like customer service, logistics, and manufacturing will be largely automated, transforming the job market. 2. Personalized AI assistants will be mainstream. AI will evolve into deeply personalized.
I'm pretty satisfied how fast it is, and with all of the things that are available in the tool. You know, some of the advanced things are not available in the tool yet. I'm sure the developers will be adding new functionalities every month. So yeah, pretty interesting, nice little tool for video editing. It is quick, it is fast, it has many functionalities, and you know, for first couple of videos it is completely free, and then you can have also in free version videos up to 2 minutes without watermark or the perpetual license. Check out all the links below for downloading and checking out the tool, and have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.